Parenting without ego. How to lead, not control, raising emotionally intelligent and resilient children. Chapter 14. Lying and withholding, leadership, not punishment. At some point, every child lies. Not because they're bad. Because they are human. Lying is a defense mechanism. It's not the real problem. It's a signal that the child fears punishment, wants to avoid disappointment, is testing social boundaries, lacks the courage to be honest under pressure. Your response will either teach honesty as a courageous choice, or teach lying as a necessary survival strategy. Why children lie. Age 3 to 7, fantasy and reality blur. Lies may be creative storytelling. Age 7 to 12, lies are used to avoid punishment or gain advantage. Testing independence and power. Teen years, lies become sophisticated. Used to protect privacy, avoid confrontation, or assert autonomy. The parent's common mistake, moralizing and punishing. When parents respond to lying with shock, how could you lie to me? Shame, good kids don't lie. Harsh punishment, grounding, yelling, withdrawal of privileges. It teaches the child that telling the truth equals pain and humiliation. Lying is safer than honesty. Parental love and approval are conditional. The leadership response. Teach courage, not fear. Step 1. Regulate yourself. This is a signal, not a betrayal. Step 2. Stay calm and curious. Help me understand why you didn't tell the truth. Step 3. Validate the fear or impulse behind the lie. It's normal to feel afraid of getting in trouble. Step 4. Teach the family value of honesty. In our family, truth is more important than avoiding mistakes. I'm proud when you tell the truth, even when it's hard. Step 5. Address behavior with proportional consequences, not emotional punishment. Because the truth is so important, there will be a consequence, but I'm glad you were honest in the end. Real-world example. Scenario. Your 9-year-old lies about finishing homework. Old reaction. Accuse angrily. Punish immediately. Leadership response. Pause and regulate. Say calmly, I noticed your homework isn't complete. Can you tell me what happened? If the lie continues, I can understand wanting to avoid trouble. But in this family, honesty matters more than perfection. Let's talk about how to fix this. Apply a calm consequence. Reduced screen time, earlier bedtime, paired with a positive reinforcement for future honesty. The long game. Building a culture of honesty. Make it clear through actions and words. Mistakes are safe to admit. Lying is addressed calmly but firmly. Honesty earns respect and preserves trust. Your goal isn't to prevent all lying. Your goal is to create an environment where the truth is always safer than deception. The hard truth. Punishing lies harshly teaches fear. Rewarding honesty, even when it reveals mistakes, teaches courage. Children will grow into adults who either lie when afraid or tell the truth despite fear. Your leadership decides which. In Chapter 15, we'll tackle sibling rivalries, often dismissed as normal, but actually one of the best opportunities to teach conflict resolution, empathy, and leadership within the family system. That's the end of this chapter. Please join us again for another. Thank you for listening. The world needs more parents looking to truly raise our future.